Good evening. This is a video of a 1951 United 5-player Shuffle Alley. As far as I know, this is the only 5-player Shuffle Alley 1951 on YouTube at this time. Took a lot of work to get it working again. I had plenty of help along the way, but it's a working machine now, and it's really fun to play. It plays really fast, and I'm going to reset it and hand the camera to someone else, and I'll play a couple frames with it. Here we go. There's a spare. Oh, that's right. Nice. Some individual counts. Plays really fast. It's got a nice formica top, and it's just a whole lot of fun.